Very cold night. But luckily the sun's coming out and it's warming up. We caught 2 fish yesterday after fishing for about an hour. The boat got pretty stuck last night, it appears. It's kind of cool. I don't know if y'all be able to see the dew on top of the water. We gotta go find more firewood to start a fire and cook breakfast. And I gotta get the old phone on the charger. How many fish you catch, Rihanna? One of our fish was caught and released. The other one didn't have the same fate. No boats yet this morning. I guess nobody comes out of this boat ramp early. They just wait for the beach later in the day to drink. I don't know what these little trails are. I don't know if y'all can even see them or not. Kind of interesting looking. Alright, well hopefully next time we see y'all, we'll be cooking up some eggs around a nice warm fire. I don't know.
Maybe a little bit of, just a little bit. Not like a whole gallon. The wood is wet.
Who would have thought lighter fluid would be so hard to...
Is it old lighter fluid? Does it even matter? Oh, it lit.
Oh, I caught the sand on fire. I guess that worked.
I'm really bad at filming.
Not as bad as me. I was surprised at how many boats came through last night.
That was funny last night whenever Cody and Jansen got up and started rummaging around. And I was like, I've heard something. And you're like, I didn't hear nothing. And then you went back to sleep and then you woke up hearing it. And you're like, what is that? And then you hit the tent. I was like, they're up. You're like, oh. And you started snoring again. So I wouldn't put that up yet.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh man, my Boy Scout followers are not gonna be proud of that one.
Where's the lighter from yesterday? Jeez, you got it on me.
What?
Yes, you did. You got it on my leg.
Are you done with your buble?
I guess I'm gonna be the Justin. Say goodbye.
Aaron has been demoted. Camera woman.
Okay.
This is not as easy as it looks. Especially when you're getting mained by the fire. All right, now for the fun part.
Then we gotta cook another tube of sausage.
You want to do the next sausage now or later? Okay, we'll do that. I was gonna do eggs, then do the sausage.
Oh, we can do it. That works. Whatever you want to do, bro.
Wow, dude, what a gentleman. The way he waited to be by my boat to accelerate just restored my faith in humanity. That looks disgusting. Yeah. Where was that thought when the oil was still in here? Yeah, but when it was still separatable.
I guess, what do you call this dish?
This is sausage de la egg. It's a French dish.
Nice.
We're actually cooking it because Ponce de Leon used to eat this. And he used to live in St. Augustine, where about an hour from St. Augustine. So you learn history on my channel. See, my pizza days help me flip the sausage faster. And now it's starting to look good thanks to that milk I added. Holy, oh God, I almost said a bad word. I'm gonna get demonetized on this one too. It's gonna be my 4th video. YouTube, if you're watching, please do not take the channel down. I apologize.
Some nice looking eggs.
Ah, hot looking eggs. Oh, empty flaps. He went to the other side.
Ooh, breakfast scramble.
Yep. Ponce de Leon would be proud. Almost forgot the 2 secret ingredients. A little more than that. Salt's good for the heart. Wow, would you look at that? And we are out of here just like that. Already got 1 trip down, 1 more to make. This is where we were. As you can see, no trace. This is where the fire was. And this is the skillet that I'm praying isn't still hot. Huh. When you look at that, she's still steaming. Yeah. All right, well, we'll see y'all later for an outro. Hope everybody's having a good day. We just got out of the water. Finally got everything latched down, ready to go. It's time to get out of here. It was a good long 2-day, 1-night trip. But thankfully, it is over. The boat got on plane several times with 5+ people. Rihanna silly stringed my eyeballs. That wasn't fun, but the journey is over. Hopefully we'll be back camping again soon for another video. Peace and butt grease. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.